Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a program whereas if you enter a name that's greater than 5 it will store it in an array, and if you enter a name that's I think less than 5 it'll store it in another array. So let me just sort this out, and while I'm just increasing the font size here, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to create my first array, which is called greater, and it's going to be an empty array. There we go. My next array, which is going to be whoops, that's not an array, which is going to be lesser. Okay, I'm going to create my first subroutine here, which is going to be called enter name. That's the first subroutine. So we're going to print a message for the user telling the user to enter name. Enter your name, please. Okay. So we've got my scalar name. It's going to be equal to standard input, so we'll get the input off the user. Okay, and then we'll chomp the line on there, scalar name. Okay, and now we're going to go on to the conditional here. So if the length of the name that was entered is greater than or equal to 5, we're going to do something. Okay, so if that name is greater than or equal to 5, we're going to do something. Let me just make this look a little bit neater. And what we're going to do, we're going to add that name into the greater array above. So we do that by pushing it in there. So push it into the greater array above the scalar name. Okay. And then we're going to print it out. We're going to print out that array so you can see that the name has actually gone into that array. Greater. Okay. Right, and here we come to the else statement. So else, so what happens if this name is less than 5? Okay, so if it's less than 5, we print a message to the user. Print name is less than 5, and then we're going to push that name into the lesser array above scalar name. Okay, and then we're going to print out that array so you can see that array, you can see that name in that array. So print lesser. There we go. There's a new line character there. Right. Okay, all we've got to do now is simply call it. So we call it by enter name. Okay, let's just save that. Let's run the program. Oh dear, we seem to have a little problem here, so let's just iron this out. Okay, slight typo here, look at that. Okay, let's replace it. Okay, let's see if we can make it work now. And here we go, so enter name. I'm going to enter a name, Billy Bob. Good old American name there, Billy Bob. There we go, Billy Bob has been pushed into that array, but what I should have done, push greater name, print greater array here. Okay, so let's try that again. Okay, Billy Bob. Okay, so you can see that Billy Bob is in the greater array, and of course we're going to do the lesser array here, so lesser array. Okay, so let's go for that. Let's put Mark. Okay, the name is less than 5, so it's in the lesser array. So there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you've enjoyed that. And remember, before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit like and drop me a comment if you want, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.